How to delete a background on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Photos application on your phone. Here, you can view all the photos and videos on your phone. Open any photo from here. Then, press and hold the photo to outline the subject. After that, tap on Share as shown. You can view all the sharing options available over here. Select Notes from here. Tap on New Folder below. Then, go to the bottom and tap on Create New Note. And then, tap on Save at the top right corner. Now, go back and open up the Notes app. Go to the note you just saved. As you can see, the background of the photo has been removed. Following these steps, you can easily delete a background on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.